again, what I'll do is I'll contact the Pima County Sheriff's Department and
see, well, that's not really what I wanted. I wanted you to get the facts from me first, because now you're going to get tainted with what they're saying, which is not correct.
That's not, because I can tell you right now, your allegations, and from what I'm understanding, is that you have been, or somebody that you know has been threatened with unlawful imprisonment.
And that's related to a tampering with the public record charge.
And all of this. So, you know, I need to get some basis of where this is coming from. And obviously what I'll do is contact the Pima County Sheriff or the Pima County Attorney's office to find out if in fact they have referred this to us. Or the bottom line is this, is that we don't take jurisdiction in this until it has been referred to us by another agency, which your allegations are based against the Sheriff's Department and the Tucson Police Department. It has to go through their Internal Affairs Division, and they are the ones that make that determination of whether or not there is criminal liability.
Yeah, but, okay, Sean Payne, when I was down trying to make a complaint on the lieutenant who sent the obstructing letter, he told me he was going to ask his boss if I could schedule in an appointment, or I asked him to ask his boss. And I said, who's your boss?
Who is Mr. Payne, sir?
Huh?
Who is Mr. Payne?
He's an internal affairs detective that he's also aware the public records are tampered with down there. And
Payne?
Yeah.
Is he with the Pima County Sheriff's Department?
Yes, the IA unit.
Okay.
And then even Detective Dauberton told me once that I might be false reporting. I told her, what? 13-2907.1, you will get no such pleasure. The allegations I'm making is backed up by your own 911 calls. And she tried not to take paperwork from me before.
Well, again, Mr. Rey, what you're telling me are things that sounds like occurred in the past, and that's what you're basing your allegations on. So the best I can do for you, sir, is I can contact these agencies and find out what the disposition is, and unless they make a referral to our office here in Tucson, we have no jurisdiction in this.
Well, they said you guys do. Also check with Sean Payne. He referred me to you guys too.
Okay, well I will check with Mr. Payne, Mr. Rey.
Okay, well I have it all on the record. If they try to lie to you and false report, you let me know, because we'll do them for that too.
All right. Well, I have your number, sir. You know, if you don't hear from me, there's really nothing that I can offer of any assistance to you, at least through our office here.
Wait a minute. Then I'm going to need you to accompany me down there, because...
No, I don't do that, sir.
Well, look, these guys have stepped on all kinds of rights. I told them if they can't handle it, then I'll make a citizen's arrest under ARS 1330-84. Now, that's a constitutional right.
I'm glad you're acknowledged in the statute, sir, but as it stands right now, there's nothing here that we can address unless there is something in writing from these agencies that.
Oh, so can I get in trouble for going down to their departments and asking for something in writing?
I'm not going to tell you what to do or not to do, sir. I'm not in that. I don't have that latitude to give you that information. What I'm telling you is that I will contact these agencies and find out what the problem is, or whatever the information is that they have relative to what you're talking about. So,
well, I don't want to disclose exactly right now who I've had look at this, but I have had not an agency, organization, legal guys look at this, and they said my case has merits.
Okay.
In fact, I'm going to be gaining some help here.
I would then maybe you should follow their advice, sir.
Yeah, they told me to contact you too.
Well.
Because then it goes to another level of you guys, I don't know, take the sheriff's side or something, I guess. I don't know.
All righty. Well, I will follow up with this. If you don't hear from me, sir, then there's really nothing that we can do for you.
Well, if I don't hear from you, that means the sheriffs lied to you, and you're going to have to tell me what they said so that we can see if they false reported to you.
Okay. Well, I'm not here to tell you what they're going to tell me, sir, or whether they lied to me or not.
What?
But all of this falls within the purview of their jurisdiction to follow up on it, sir.
Well, let me ask you something then. If a crime happens in the city limits, do I take it to the sheriffs or the TPD?
To the agency agency having jurisdiction, and that would be TPD.
Because they have venue playing field jurisdiction, correct?
Well, that is their responsibility. The city of Tucson is their responsibility.
Oh, thank you very much. I'm going to probably go down there Monday. I have some more information on a new, not new, but related, but I'm going to take it to them because you just gave me the key. The city limits is for TPD. That's it. If they try to tell me anything else, I'll call you back with that one too.
Well, like I said, I don't know if I'll be able to help you, sir.
Well, isn't that your job? I'm not making this up, so I'm going to tell you right now. If you think I'm false reporting, then I'll come down there and you can arrest me for it. But then I'll have subpoena power, and then I'm going to get to the bottom of all this stuff.
Okay, alrighty.
I'm not false reporting. That was an example of I believe myself that I'm telling you the truth, and that these guys covered up, obstructed, and tampered, and it's probably purged you both of office to all the chiefs and Dupnik and everybody now.